Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this gorgeous 4-bedroom semi-detached property over on Oxford Road in Salford. So as you'll see, benefits from being a large corner plot, double driveway, really good space out the front. It is double storey extended with 4 really generous bedrooms. So as we head in, we've got the porch to the front, really good space in here. And as we head on through, we're greeted into this welcoming entrance hallway. New carpets throughout. Now to the front of the property, we've got this bay-fronted living room, letting loads of natural lighting. Really good space for family and entertaining. And double doors there through to the second reception room. Loads of understairs storage. Be a great room for dining area, overlooking the garden. Be gorgeous in summer to have the double doors open if you've got friends and family round. Then as we head on through to the back of the property, you'll find this really good space, open plan kitchen. Loads of workspace in here. 2 really big windows letting loads of natural lighting again. Integrated appliances. This is also part of the extension. And this leads you out into the garden. Really quiet. You've got the gate for side access. Low maintenance. And the double doors into the second reception room there. Now as we head on back through, this property does benefit from a downstairs toilet. Handy for guests. As we head on upstairs, you'll find the 4 bedrooms. Really good sized bedrooms. So to the front of the property, we've got the master bedroom, complete with fitted wardrobes. Again, big bay window to the front, letting loads of natural lighting. Loads of space for storage in there. And also has the loft hatch with drop-down ladders, which takes you into the partially boarded loft. We've got the smallest of the bedrooms here, but again, a really good size still. Just used as storage at the moment. Second bedroom to the rear, and a really good sized double bedroom. Nice big window, so it's nice and bright, overlooking the garden. Really well kept in every room. And the third bedroom here, double room again. Which is overlooking at the front and the side of the property, part of the double storey extension. And then to the rear we have the 4-piece fitted bathroom, benefiting from a large shower and bath. Really good space in here, nice and modern, ready for someone to move into. If you would like a viewing on the property, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in. Thanks.